Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I forgot to make this video for the past basically 2 days. No trade on Monday. Didn't take any trades towards the end of the week last week. And I took this trade on Tuesday. So it would have been was it on Tuesday? The 29th? Yeah. So the 29th of July. I'm going to break down for you guys exactly why I took this trade. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if we get right into it, you can see all I really did was mark out 15-minute high, 15-minute low on the on Sqqq right here. And so we had our high right here. We did get a reject off of that and a decent move down. Now, initially, when I saw this 5-minute candle form and it broke below our 15-minute low and then pushed back up above our 15-minute low, I'm thinking to myself, this could be one of those moves where we reject the high, reject the low, and then, make a full flip all the way back to the upside. But I stayed patient, waited for price action to play out, and obviously, as you can see, we basically just consolidated in this area. And then I have to go back on Sqqq because I forget exactly what time I entered. Yeah, so I entered on this green candle or red candle on Sqqq. I entered on this red candle right here after it closed somewhere around here and basically in the next candle. But essentially, I was waiting for a close below that 15-minute low. And as long as we got that, then we had some downside. Because if I look on the 15-minute time frame, this green line is exactly what I was aiming for. And this green line was just the previous day high right down here. That's all I was aiming for. And that's exactly what hit. And obviously we kind of blew past that a little bit, which sucks because I didn't hold it all the way. But regardless, we hit that beautifully. So if you look on Sqqq, 5-minute time frame, where are we at? There we go. So entered. Once this candle closed, price pulled back. Actually, the next candle opened right here. And then we ended up pushing up basically and just staying below on Sqqq, staying below the 200, the VWAP, the 48 and 13 EMAs. Those are like 4 indicators I really use. I don't use them necessarily as like, okay, this is my reason to get in. I don't think that's necessarily the best idea, the best way to use indicators. In my opinion, I would simply use indicators, right, like these lines, as to give you an idea for a directional bias. So if price is staying below these EMAs, then I have a pretty good indication that price is going to continue on down. If price is respecting those, price will more than likely go down. And as you can see, that's exactly what we did. We chopped for a little bit and moved down and hit my 1-to-1 TP, and that was pretty much it. So that's a breakdown of Tuesday's trade. I did not trade yesterday. I'll see if I trade today. Yesterday was pretty garbage price action, not gonna lie. As you can see, literally here's the low, here's the high, and we just chopped. Like, we broke above it, yes, but never closed. And we broke above it and closed above it here, yes, but then we just chopped sideways. There wasn't really any upside target that I could aim for, right, in this area. And there wasn't enough momentum on the day either. So I never took a trade yesterday, and obviously, as you can see, FOMC happened, and then there were earnings right afterwards. So we'll see what happens today. Hopefully we get some sort of pullback. I'm looking for somewhat of a downside move. But regardless, no trades yesterday. I've just been super picky recently based on, what trades I should put my money into. Because honestly, if you're not picky, you're just going to end up throwing your money away. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you guys learned something from this. Simple 15-minute high, 15-minute low. Got the break, got the close, set the risk parameter, took the trade, targeted liquidity. That's it. So if you learned something from this and can apply it to your own trading, then go and do that. I will see you guys in the next video.